Hi guys, welcome to this lecture on salad recipes. We've already discussed the fundamentals of building a salad in a previous lecture. Now this lecture is all about the recipes. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 delicious salads. The 5 salads are split up into 2 lectures, 3 in this one and 2 in the next one. So just a little recap, salad is the main meal that you're replacing with your lunch or your dinner. The salad pyramid looks something like this. It shows the proportions of foodstuff that should make up your salad. At the bottom of the salad are raw vegetables. These could be any, ranging from spinach, coriander, cabbage, lettuce, arugula, kale, to bell peppers, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, broccoli, peas. So you want to use these abundantly. Next up on the salad are healthy fats such as coconuts or avocados. Use these moderately. Make sure whatever you're using is seasonal and regional. And last on top are dressings or nuts and seeds. These are there just to add some fun and texture to your salad. Use these sparingly, in very limited amounts. Why? Because they're harder to digest. If you can, just skip them altogether, especially in the curing stage. The whole point of having a salad is to have something light and to give your stomach time to digest the previous meal. That's the reason we don't add grains like chickpeas or lentils or kidney beans to our salad. No point of having a salad if you're adding too much of this stuff into it. It's not really a salad then. Focus on the alkaline stuff, the greens, the vegetables, food that's light and detoxifying, not on the heavy acidic stuff. Okay, now let's get started with the salads. The salad we're going to start with is the classic Ayu Nature salad. For this, you'll need 1 large cucumber, 2 carrots, 4 tomatoes, 1 small green capsicum, 1 cup of coriander, 2 big pieces of coconut, and a tablespoon of black sesame seeds. Dice the cucumber, carrot, tomatoes, and capsicum into pieces. Then add them all to a mixing bowl. Chop the coriander and toss it with the rest of the ingredients. Grate your coconut into your salad and sprinkle some sesame seeds from above. Yes, I do know that this one is a very simple salad. Out of all 6, this is probably the cleanest and the healthiest kind of salad. And that's why it's called the classic Ayu Nature salad. We deliberately don't add any dressing or salt, lemon, nuts to it. Remember, if you're in the curing stage, you should avoid nuts and seeds as much as possible. And ideally, salads should be eaten without combining them with lemon and salt. I'm saying this again and again because it is important for you to know. Yet, the coconut and coriander give it a delicious fresh flavor. Remember, you can, in fact, you should tweak the ingredients according to your season and region. The next salad we're going to be making is the beet rocket salad. The ingredients that you'll need are a handful of spinach leaves, a handful of rocket leaves, 1 small beetroot, a piece of fresh coconut, and 3 to 4 soaked walnuts. First, chop up all your spinach, rocket leaves, and peeled beetroot. Next, we're going to cook the beetroot. So go ahead and place it in a saucepan with some water and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's soft. Once cooked, toss the beetroot along with the spinach and rocket leaves in a mixing bowl. Now it's time for the dressing. The dressing we're making with this salad is called the Middle Eastern dressing. To prepare this, take a blender and add to it half a cucumber, 1/4 cup coriander, 4 soaked dates, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, and 1/4 tablespoon lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Combine this dressing with the other ingredients. Grate the coconut from the top and add in the crushed walnuts. Mix it all together and there you have it. Beet rocket salad. I absolutely love this salad. The sweetness from the dates balances the peppery taste of the rocket leaves so well. The third salad we're going to prepare is the rainbow salad. You'll need half a red cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 beetroot, and 1 cup of boiled peas. Simply chop the carrot, cabbage, bell peppers, beetroot, and add them all to a mixing bowl. The dressing we're using in this salad is called the almond chili dressing. You'll need 1/4 of a cup of soaked almonds, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/8 small green chili, 1 coin ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of water. Go ahead and blend all of these ingredients together. Combine the almond chili dressing with the other ingredients. And your rainbow salad is ready to be served. Super easy. Okay, so I hope you liked the first three. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below. For the next three salads, continue to the next lecture.